everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Adriana, and today I'm going to be showing you what I ate in a day. I don't like to eat breakfast as soon as I wake up. I don't know, it's just kind of disorienting, especially since I'm right there. So I had breakfast a little after I woke up at 9. While my bread toast, I decided to make myself a cup of iced coffee. I'm not a professional at making coffee, I know. Do not shame me for my instant grounds, but it gets the job done. I'm kind of cheating in that I'm using a pre-made guacamole from Whole Foods. It's honestly the best guacamole I've ever had. There's actually a woman that makes it right there in the middle of the Whole Foods. I've spoken to her a few times. She's from Mexico, so I trust her guacamole and it tastes amazing. This little container will honestly last me probably like 2 days. And as you can see, I definitely put a lot on each slice of bread. I honestly do prefer goat cheese. I used feta today, but it's really up to you. Then I topped it off with a few slices of tomatoes and sprinkled some everything but the bagel seasoning. Since I'm in meetings all day, it's kind of hard to get up, make myself something to eat. I just started a new job, actually on Monday, so I don't know if it's anxiety or what, but I just haven't been really that hungry. So I had time in between one of my meetings to make myself this smoothie bowl. I realized I still had a little bit of this butterfly powder just for a little bit extra collagen and nutritional value to this smoothie bowl. Even though it was a little bit waterier than anticipated, it still was easy for me to eat. It was delicious and not $11 like they sell it at the stores. Last but not least, dinner. I was really craving a steakhouse salad. I don't know what inspired that, but once something's in my head and I'm craving it, I have to have it. For the dressing, all it is a little bit of pre-made balsamic dressing and adding some Dijon mustard. We really love Dijon mustard in my house, and I ended up adding a little bit extra some random vinaigrette that I had in my house just for the consistency and a few more herbs in it, and it honestly tastes like salad dressing that you would get at a steakhouse. Lots of people ask me why I bake my bacon, and this is the exact reason why. It's easy to clean, it ends up being much crispier, and I don't have to think about it and continue to flip it. It's crispy on both sides, and yeah, it's honestly so good. I wish the bacon was a little bit thicker though. I really do love sweet, salty, and savory salads, so I ended up using some candied pecans, or maybe these are walnuts, not sure. Some cherry tomatoes, of course the steak, gorgonzola cheese, cranberries, and some crispy onions that I also bought at Whole Foods. This container of crispy onions is so addicting. As you can see, I ended up using a bunch, and I really did love it. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you like watching these videos. If you were to try anything in this video, what it would be. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.